everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I come to you today to bring you a little online haul that I have done. I have one from Craft Chick and I have one from Peachy Cheap. So let's get to opening them up. I have not ordered from Peachy Cheap in a while, but they sent me an email with some cute paper that they had. So I wanted to order some little more Christmas paper. So let's see what's in here. I can't really remember now. Oh yes, that's right. So I got this here, 6x6 Home for Christmas, 2 sheets each, 12 designs. So let's open it up and check out this pretty paper. Let's see here. Some cute paper in here that'll be fun to work with. Look at that one. That's cute. Snowflakes. Isn't that pretty? So I thought this was adorable. So those are the paper. I think I only paid $11 or $12. You think? Something like that. And then let's see what we got here. And some silicone embellishments. Look at the little gnome. Isn't that cute? And then we got some puffy stickers. Same Home for Christmas. Isn't that cute? I love those. Those are pretty. And then we got some tassels. I love this set. Felt flowers. Isn't that pretty? And I think we have some ephemera here. We do. Oh, super nice. Look at the Santa Claus. Isn't that cute? And there's all this cute ephemera. Gingerbread house. Peachy Cheap, they have some cute things. Sometimes they can be a little high on certain things that and then there's other things that it's pretty good on. And this was a good deal. Look at the gnomes. Aren't those cute? And the deer. Isn't that cute? The snow globes. Oh, so adorable. So that was my Peachy Cheap haul. So let me pause you and I will show you my Bead Craft Chick. Okay, I'm back with my Bead Craft Chick haul. I ordered this a couple weeks ago and I haven't had a chance to open it yet, but this is from Bead Craft Chick and I love getting her stuff because it's inexpensive and she has fast shipping and she has beads, paper, ephemera, holiday stuff, you know, you name it. I order from her all the time. So I may put an order in the end of this week or next week. We shall see. Okay, so first, she has this little box. And she gives you a list and she marks it off what you ordered. Here's her card. Go check her out. She's also on Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram. And that is her thing. And that's her name. And she always gives you some jimmies. And I got a little pumpkin in there. And some cute little jimmies there. And then she packs it up in this cute paper. So I did order a few Halloween things because it was marked down. And I could always use them. Either for this year, next year, I'm just going to put them away or whatever. So first thing I got was this cute bead mix. And I can't remember the name of it. It was sugar plum or something. So here's the cute beads. I just loved them. And I can't wait to make something out of this. Okay. And I got these little pumpkin, oh, one fell out. These little pumpkin things. I ordered quite a bit of them, or a few of them, I should say. Because I will use either all year round or for next year. I'll put them either way. I always can never find, when I'm looking for something like this, I can never find them, so I want to have them as a backup. And then I ordered some more skeletons, and these were marked down in her clearance section. So I made my daughter bracelets out of these, both my girls, and yeah. And then I ordered these here. These are adhesive, little boutique. Aren't those cool? So I got some of those. And then I got some of these cute Buffy stickers, mummies. So, embellishments. Like I said, if I don't use them now, I'm going to use them, put them away in my stash, so I have them for whenever I need them. Seems like I always don't have enough time to get these type of things when they actually come out. And some people like Halloween all year long. So, yeah. So anyway, that is my haul from Peachy Cheap and Bead Craft Chick. Please go check out Bead Craft Chick. She's a small business owner, and to help support her shop. And if I remember, I will link it down below in the description box, so you can just click on her link and check it out. All cute kinds of cute stuff in there. And then she gives you a little card here. So I've left her review for it. Like I said, you order and it's like she gets it ready and then she mails it out. There's no waiting for it or anything. I love it. I've never, ever, ever had a problem with her shipping. So everyone, if you could give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to all. I would greatly appreciate it. Tell your friends about me. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I'm also going to be putting my stuff on Pinterest. So I hope you all like what I have shown you. Check out Peachy Cheap. Sign up for their exclusive emails, and you will see what they send you, or they come out with, because they got some good deals. Really, really good deals. And you got to be quick on it or they get snatched up. All right, everyone. Y'all stay safe. Take care of yourselves, and God bless. Bye.